Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
This lesson covers adding and editing the metadata attached to each document you create in Word. Metadata in Word documents is information about your document and who created it. To view or edit the metadata in a Word document, click the File tab in the ribbon to open the Backstage view. Then click the Info command at the left side of the screen. At the far right side of the page, a Properties heading appears with a list of information below it. Scroll to the bottom of this list if necessary and click the Show All Properties link to view the full list of the document's metadata properties. You can add, edit, or remove editable information in this list by clicking to the right of a title to make a field appear. You cannot change some information like size, pages, words, total editing time, and template because these fields describe the document's contents. Any other field that displays a text box is editable. Enter new information, change existing information, or delete the information in these text fields. Alternatively, click the Properties drop-down at the top of the list of metadata and choose the Advanced Properties command to open the Document Title Properties dialog box where document title is the document's name. On the tabs in this dialog box, you can enter, edit, or delete any information and also see detailed document information. You can use the tabs to view and edit any information you need. Then click the OK button to close the dialog box and return to the Backstage view. When finished, click the left pointing arrow in the upper left corner of the Backstage view to return to the content of your document. Then click the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar to save your metadata changes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.